What's up, guys? Check out this Plaque Dental Calculus Remover, which is a home use dental tool. And this is something that you can use to help clean your teeth at home. It comes with some really nice stuff. So it comes with the user manual. Inside the user manual, it tells you not only how to use it, but also says what's included with this item. Okay, so it comes with a hook-like cleaning head, a flat hook-like cleaning head, a mouth mirror, a tongue cleaner, and a cleaning head wrench. So the cleaning head wrench and the hook-like cleaning head and the flat hook-like cleaning head are all in this box in here that it comes with. So you can see that there. It actually comes with 2 of each of the heads, which is pretty nice. And then it also comes with the mouth mirror, which is this, okay? And then it comes with the tongue cleaner, which is this, so you could use it to clean your tongue. And then it comes with a charger, so you could charge up our main device here, which is this. This is what you're going to connect your hook-like cleaning heads to, so that you can clean your mouth. It lights up like this when you click the power button, and you can change the ultra high frequency vibrations, which is what's going to help clean your teeth, using this bottom button right here. So it looks like it has 5 levels that you can have. Okay. And then to turn it off, you just click the power button again. And then it also comes with this little mouth opener here. So if you have trouble keeping your mouth open when you're trying to do the cleanings, this can help you with that. All right, so it's a 700 milliamp rechargeable battery. It is waterproof. The cleaning heads are waterproof. It says IP x 6. There's 5 different intensities, as I said, and it does have this LED screen, which makes it nice. It is safe for the gums, but it also says never vibrate directly on the gums, because you do not want to get injured from those vibrations. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys how to hook up the head to make it ready for use. Okay, so we're just gonna take out any of these heads out of here. You can use the wrench to tighten the heads if you want, but most of them just twist on pretty easy. If I could do it with the broken wrist, it isn't really that hard to use. Okay, so you just twist it on, get it on nice and tight on there, and then you just click the power button and you go to whatever vibration setting you want. You will be able to hear it because it is ultra high frequency vibrations. If you get to the strongest level, you could really hear it. But then you're just gonna go up to your teeth and clean your teeth however you want to clean your teeth.